In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-column layout in LibreOffice Writer quickly and easily. This is a really useful formatting trick if you want your document to look more professional, fit more content on a page, or create newspaper-style text layouts for reports, flyers, newsletters, and class projects. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, you'll see the Start Center. On the left side, under Create, click Write a Document. If you already have a document open, you can use that instead. This works either way, so choose the option that fits what you're doing. After your document is open, go to the top menu bar and click Format. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of the page and text layout options, including the column settings we need for this tutorial. When the Format menu opens, click Columns. This will open the column settings window, where you can control how many columns your page uses and how the spacing looks between them. Now select the number of columns you want. For example, you can choose 2 columns for a clean side-by-side layout, or more if you need a more compact design. LibreOffice also lets you preview the layout before applying it. So take a moment to look over the options and make sure it matches the style you want. If you're working on a report or article, 2 columns often looks the most natural. If you're designing something more creative, you can experiment with more columns until it feels right. Once you've selected your preferred column setup, click OK. LibreOffice will instantly apply the multi-column layout to your page or selected section. And just like that, your document now uses multiple columns. You can continue typing, paste in your content, and LibreOffice will flow the text across the columns automatically. This is a great way to make text easier to read, especially when you want a more polished and structured look. If you want to change the layout later, you can always go back to Format and then Columns again to adjust the number of columns or modify the spacing. That means you're never locked into one style, and you can update the document as your project changes. So that's how to create a multi-column layout in LibreOffice Writer. It's fast, simple, and super helpful for making your documents look better in seconds. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more LibreOffice tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.